Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little experiment to see if I can combine insects and cake. So I've baked some banana bread and I've used some cricket flour. Now because cricket flour is literally 100% ground up crickets, it's not going to have the same components as regular flour will. So you know, the proteins, the gluten, so it won't act as a flour. So I'm going to substitute 30% of my flour with the cricket flour, and this will give it quite a substantial cricket content, but it'll still hold together as a regular cake, hopefully. Now if you want the recipe for my banana bread, you can click the link on the screen now, or the recipe will also be in the description box below. Now I've got some volunteers who are going to do a blind taste test, so they've got absolutely no idea that this has crickets. They just think it's a regular banana bread. So let's see what they think. Okay, that is some banana bread. Just try it and just give me some feedback.
It looks as though it's not been properly mixed up unless that's something in it.
Is it just banana cake? Nothing special in it? What? I feel like there's something else in it though.
It's more dense at the bottom than other places.
It tastes like it might have some apple in it. Apple and cinnamon.
It's got a weird texture. It's like, I can't describe it. It doesn't pull up, it doesn't like fall apart, it like clumps.
It's got some sort of different grain or seeds. It's got seeds in it of some sort, I think.
It's nice, palatable, it's moist.
It has a weird aftertaste of medicine.
It's not unpleasant. It's a bit weird, but it's not unpleasant.
Would you eat it again?
I would eat it again.
I'd eat it again.
No. No.
I didn't like it that much, but I felt it had potential.
How would you rate it out of 5?
I'd go 4 out of 5.
3. 2.
4 out of 5.
3.
I can't reveal that you have just eaten
Oh no!
insect banana bread.
Oh my god!
Really? What sort of insect?
It has cricket flour in it.
Doesn't even faze me that much. It doesn't taste that bad.
Just tastes like normal banana bread really. But I did know there was something else in it, but it doesn't taste horrible. I wouldn't think there was any kind of insect in it. Unless it crawled off the table.
So that was their reaction, and I also tried it, and I thought it tasted perfect. It tasted like a banana bread, but it did have a slightly gritty aftertaste, and it was a little bit dense in places. They gave it an average of 3.2 out of 5, which I think is quite decent. Now you might be wondering why. Why would I want to put crickets in a cake? Well, insect farming is actually one of the most sustainable sources of protein, and per 100 grams, insects yield a higher proportion of protein than beef, pork and chicken. Cricket farming is 20 times more efficient than cattle farming as a source of protein, and it produces 80 times less methane. It's also more economically efficient because insects are cold-blooded, so they're going to waste less energy maintaining their body temperature, and they also require 4 times less feed to produce the same quantity of meat. Now with the world's population expected to reach 9 billion by 2050, is it time we started using insects as an alternative source of protein to feed everyone in an environmentally and economically friendly way? Now I want to know your thoughts. Is it time we swap burgers for bugs? Would you be happy consuming crickets rather than chicken? Let me know by voting in the polls up there. You can also leave me a comment letting me know what you think. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can click here to see some more videos.